Hi everyone!
My name is Akari.
I'm Hitomi. Today, we're introducing how to make tofu meatball, which is called tofu hamburg in Japanese.
Although it's a tofu dish, it's mixed with meat, so very satisfying. In addition, it contains lots of vegetables, so it's very healthy. The texture is very soft, so it's suitable for baby food too.
Let's make tofu meatball. Let's go!
Go! First, I will drain the water of tofu. And wrap it with the paper. You can drain water by putting something heavy on tofu, like this, but it takes time, so I'm putting tofu to microwave. Tofu will be very hot, so let it cool for about 5 minutes after using microwave. While I'm waiting, I'm preparing the vegetables. Today I'm using onion, carrot, and shiitake mushroom. Tofu is cool now, so I'm draining the water with paper towel. Now all the ingredients are ready, so let's mix all them up. Today I'm using minced chicken thigh. First I'm adding salt, and knead it well until it gets sticky. Now it's getting sticky, so I'm adding tofu. Egg, and breadcrumbs. I'm using eggs and breadcrumbs to stick all the ingredients together.
Yes.
If you like, add a little ginger. Next, I'm adding vegetables. Onions, carrots, and shiitake mushrooms. Now the meat is ready. Now let's form the shape. Roll it in your hand and pat it. Now all the meat is shaped. Finally, let's cook. Pour a little oil. Put the meatball on the pan. Press the middle a little bit. Put the lid on and cook for a while. When the surface gets a little white, turn around the meat. Now the food is ready to serve.
The meat is so moist and tender, and it cooked nicely. Let's eat it.
いただきます。